Hi there, Abby here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I wanted to do a quick little intro before I show you my quick unboxing video that I did at my cousin Jay's baby shower. So I unboxed a booster bundle box of Scarlet and Violet 151. My nephew Tyler was selling some Pokemon products at the party, so decided to buy this off of him because I haven't seen any Pokemon products in the store in quite a while, so kind of glad that he was selling some Pokemon products. And I wanted to do a quick live unboxing video for my family just to show them like how I do it, and yeah, it's pretty fun to do unboxing videos whenever I'm able to. So I hope you enjoy, and if you do like unboxing videos, please subscribe, and if you like this video, thumbs up, and please comment. Okay, thank you. Just got the Scarlet and Violet 151 booster bundle pack from my nephew right there, Tyler. We're at a shower. I can't say the B word because these are here. So we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. Woohoo! Yes! I need scissors. Help me out.
Right there, use her nails.
Yeah. Like that. I don't have any nails. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is really hard.
Are those real nails? No. Okay.
There you go. Wow, this is really strong plastic.
Yeah.
I need it
right now.
There
you go.
We can't.
You got it? Okay. It's okay. Almost got it. Oh my gosh. I heard the B word. Who said that? I said the B word? Oh, dang it. Never mind. Okay.
But we all heard it, so one of us.
Here you go. Okay. See what it is.
You got it from your wife.
I didn't know these existed until my nephew sold it to me. Okay, here you go.
Dun, dun, dun.
6. So there's 6 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go in the room, maybe choose.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Let's see what we got.
Oh wait, there's 25. There's 25. There's 25.
Okay.
See, I did a good job.
Look up close. Okay. Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Sandslash, Nidorino, Golduck, Reverse Poliwhirl, Reverse Kadabra, a Dragonite. Okay.
Are those worth a lot, or what?
So if you get them graded, if you get them graded and it comes out as a 10, usually
Okay.
it
Fifth
will
one.
range anywhere from like
Ponyta,
to like 1,000.
Poliwag. Oh, it's a Pikachu.
It's Pikachu!
Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Farfar, Big Air Balloon, Primeape, Onyx, Reverse Pikachu, Tangela, hiding a Jolteon. Okay,
Nice.
4. Let's see. There it is, yeah.
How many packs are in the box?
6 of them.
Oh my goodness.
6, yeah. Okay.
That's a lot.
Spearow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Oddish, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Haunt, Graveler, Alakazam
Is that an
EX, it's an EX! Ooh, EX! That's a good one. That's a good one indeed. We got 3 more. Let's see if we get like a special illustration card. Is that what it's called? Yeah, special illustration card. Okay, let's see here. It's hot in here. Okay. Charmander, Spearow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, a Grabber. This is a good trainer card if you play the actual trading card game. Kingler, Energy Sticker, Pidgey Reverse, Clefable, another Jolteon. Ooh, nice. Oh wait, Energy.
He forgot one.
Energy. 2 more. 2 more to go. Let's see. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay. Magnemite, Caterpie. Oh, it's an Eevee. Trio, Hitmonlee, Wartortle, Caterpie again, a Mangy hiding A, an Omastar, wait, not reverse.
Omastar!
Hollow, I mean. Energy. Oh, I like that. A hollow energy.
All right, last one.
Last pack magic. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, last one. We're gonna do like slow on this one. Okay, here we go. Go first. What's the energy? Dark energy. So dark energy. Oddish. Mangy. Meow. Execute. Executor. Rhydon. Graveler. Reverse Mewtwo. That's actually a pretty nice one. I like that artwork right there. A reverse Golbat. Hiding A Gengar. So we got Alakazam EX. That's a nice hit right there. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And if you like unboxing videos, please like, comment, subscribe. Bye! Woohoo!